All right, guys, so for a single leg box jump, there's a few different ways we can do this. Now, the reason we want to focus on our single leg box jump is because we want to try to focus on producing as much power as we can through either leg, all right, which is usually something that we see kind of discrepancy with when we're testing our guys in the gym. So you can always see that, one leg is a lot stronger than the other. It's usually your jump leg, which isn't a surprise. So what you want to do here, so if it says heavy or medium or light, you want to try to hold some fairly heavy dumbbells. So what I would do is I would grab, let's say a couple fives. So just for the purpose of today, we're gonna use some fives, but again, just try to make it seem heavy because over the weeks, you're gonna make it lighter, over the months, you're gonna make it lighter. So all I'm trying to do is I'm just gonna try to basically hit the floor with one foot while keeping one leg off the floor, and I'm just gonna try to jump as high as I can. So if I start here, so dumbbells are right in front of me, and I jump and I land, right? So again, it didn't seem like I went super high, but that's because the dumbbells are quite heavy. So I would do that on both sides. So I might go 5 in a row. Always start with your weak side. So again, just a small rock, boom. Once I hit the floor, I jump back up, and I jump back up, right? So the key with this one is I always want to make sure that my knee is in line with that mid toe. So I don't really want my knee to cave inward. So if this is difficult when you're starting off with weights, just try to go body weight. Now, some people like to do it where they're jumping straight onto another box. That's completely fine if you want to do it that way. I actually prefer to just jump straight up in the air and then land on two, right? So whatever you like to do, whatever feels comfortable for you, you can do it that way. You could also hold something in front of your chest, whether it's a dumbbell, a medicine ball, but again, try to find a weight that's gonna feel quite heavy, and then over the weeks, over the months, you can kind of just decrease that weight slightly as we're trying to get your velocity to be a much higher pace, okay?